Back to homeschooling passion. Today we're playing with the Earth Science Kit Volcano experiments. One of the.
You can do it right here.
Okay, and you hold the phone, and I'll do it.
No, I need to do this. All right. Here we go.
Okay. Okay. You're gonna see the coolest eruption.
Oh, come closer so you can see. You got it?
Yeah.
Whoa! Come closer. Come closer to the volcano.
Whoa.
Look at that.
It's a volcano.
Guess that was it. Maybe there's a little bit more we can do. More vinegar.
Okay, more vinegar then.
I think we got it all. I think we got it all. All right, I think that's it.
Okay. Let's go back in. Subscribe for more videos, everyone. Bye.